This is a replacement, as you can see, May of 2019. It's held up for 7 years now. The OEM one lasted right at 4 years. The OEM gearbox did not have this plug with a really good magnet in it. It does have some metal filings in it. You can see the gear oil not fairly, it's just very clean. I'll wipe them on that spot there. Not too terrible. That is a 5/16 Allen wrench on this box. Who knows what it is on another one. I went ahead and ran it up and down the driveway a little bit. Box is warm, maybe lukewarm, good enough. Pressure's off of it. It's held on by 4 bolts, 2 in the front, 2 in the rear. Right angle impact is optional. If you notice, if you end up sideways, it seems like you have a little better leverage on it. We're going to measure exactly how much oil comes out of it. Well, it looks good. I'd say it's probably got, realistically, between 80 and 100 hours on it. Actual mowing. And there's a lot of pressure. Look at that. Wow. We're right at 4 ounces, just a shade over 4 ounces. That's why I don't think you can afford to run this thing hundreds of hours and neglect that oil, guys. I think you really need to use a good quality oil. On the OEM gearbox, it lasted about 4 years, and I'm an Amsoil fan, and I ran Amsoil 7590 in it, and I had the bottom bearing on the pulley where all the load is. That bearing practically disintegrated. 4 ounces. I never flush it out. I change it every year, so I feel like I'm doing pretty good there. That's just an incredible small amount of oil for that box. Let me shine a flashlight in here, see if you can see any metallic flakes. Very minimal. Another impressive thing about that gearbox, guys, in 7 years, the seals. The seal on the pulley, the seal on the drive shaft going into it, they're bone dry. Very well made gearbox. And the heck of it is, I can't remember who I bought it from. I got paperwork somewhere, but kind of a precise fit for a gearbox. Leave everything as loose as you can, and you shouldn't have any trouble getting the bolts back in. Now I'm going to run them in with an impact, but I'll hand tighten with a ratchet. I don't worry about torque. Well, no more than I hit that right angle, it gets it tight. Guys, over 900 hours, nearly 950 on my 1025R, the original belt. And it's not even starting to come apart. I don't know how many hours you can put on that belt. I scraped around a little bit when I had it off, got rid of some grease. It was pretty filthy. Original spindles and everything. This is what I've been running for 7 years, and I'll probably continue to do so. I'll put a link in the description. It is good oil. Amazon's got it. Sometimes less than 10 bucks for the quart. And at 4 ounces, that's a year's worth. I just can't get over that 4 ounces. I like to have some opinions on that. I was reading the comments on some other gearbox videos, and one guy said his holds 6. And it's the same generation as mine. And some of you might have caught that. It's a blooper, but I'm not going to edit it out. Look at the back side of that belt. Wrong side of my bracket. No big deal. You gotta make sure too, guys, they didn't come off your pulleys. You can just reach in there and feel them. And I can see it on this one. come on. Take more than that, can't you? So what I'll do, guys, I'm going to put the plug in, but before I mow and even hook it up, I'm going to check it again in about a half hour, because I just don't, it's such a small amount, I just don't trust it, that level, the first time I do it. And at 4 ounces total capacity, you really can't afford to short it any. Hey, thanks for watching. Work safe out there and have a good one.